Hey everyone, hope you all are good. Here for grade 3 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter multiplication skill builders, and the lessons we going today are multiply by 8, multiply by 9, multiply by 10 and multiply by 11. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? So let's just start with the first lesson, that is multiply by 8. Okay, let's just start with the first lesson, that is multiply by 8. Here I am on grade 3 math. So let's just start with the chapter multiplication skill builders. We're going to start with the lesson multiply by 8. So we are already working on the chapter multiplication skill. So we already know how to multiply. So today we're going to learn how do we multiply by 8, right? So here is the table of 8, that is 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 2 is 6, 8 times 3 is 24, 8 times 4 is 32, 8 times 5 is 40, 8 times 6 is 48, 8 times 7 is 56, 8 times 8 is 64, 8 times 9 72, and 8 times 10 is 80, right? So the first question is 8 times 0, right? So whatever number you are to multiply with 0, the answer is always 0, right? 8 times 0 is always a 0. Let's just start with the practice question. The first one is 8 times 1. So which is the correct option? 8 times 1 equal 8 times 1 equal whatever number you are multiplying with 1, the answer is always the same. 8 times 1 is always 8. So the correct option is 8, right? 8 times 1 is 8. So the correct option is 8. The next one is 8 times 0. So which is the correct option? 8 times 0 equal whatever number you are going to multiply with 0, that is always a 0, right? So 8 times 0 is always a 0. The correct option is 0, right? 8 times 0 is 0. Okay, the next one is 8 times 3, which is the correct option. So 8 times 3 and 3 times 8 exactly same, right? So if you remember the table of 3, you can count 3 until 8. So which is the correct option? 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, and 8 times 3 is 8 times 3 equals 24. The correct option is 24. 8 times 3 is 24. So 8 times 3 or 8, they both are exactly same. That is 24. Got it? The next one is 10 times 8, which is the correct option. 10 times 8 equal 10 times 8 is 80. The correct option is 80. 10 times 8 equals 80. 8 times 4, which is the correct option. You can do 4 times 8, right? So 4 times 8 and 8 times 4, they both are exactly equal, right? So let's just count 8 until 4. So 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 8 times 3 is 24, and 8 times 4 is 32. It is 8 times 4 is 32. The correct option is 32. Got it? The next one is 5 times 8. So which is the correct option? 5 times 8 is, you can count either 5 until 8 or 8 until 5. They both are exactly same. So 8 times 5 is 40. The correct option is 48 is. Got it? The next one is 2 times 8. So which is the correct option? You can come 2 times 8. I think all know the table of 2. So 2 times 8 is 2 times 8 is 16. The correct option is 16. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So let's just move on to next lesson. Next one is we're going to learn how do we multiply by 9, right? Let's just start with the next lesson, that is multiply by 9. Why are you laughing? Tell me, I also want to laugh with you. Multiply by 8 it is, right? Sorry, multiply by 9. We are done with multiply by 8. Let's just start with multiply by 9. Okay, here is the table of 9. Even note down the table on your notebook, right? Then that would be easy for you to do the practice questions. 0 times 9 is 9. 1 times 9 is 9, 2 times 9 is 18, 3 times 9 is 27, 4 times 9 is 36, 5 times 9 is 45, 6 times 9 is 54, 7 times 9 is 63, 8 times 9 is 72, and 9 times 9 is 81, and 10 times 9 is 90, right? So we're going to multiply with 9. Let's just start with the practice questions. You can even note down the table so that that would be easy for you to answer the questions. Let's just start with the first example, that is 9 times 8. So which is the correct option? 9 times 8 equals 9 times 8 or 8 times 9. They both are exactly same, right? So the correct option is 72 it is, right? 9 times 8 is 72. Correct option is 72. Got it? Okay, the next one is again 8 times 9. So which is the correct option? 8 times 9 equal? Yes, it is 72. The correct option is 72 it is, right? 8 times 7 is 7. 8 times 9 is 72. Okay, the next one is 9 times 0. So which is the correct option? Nine times 0 is any number multiplied by 0 equals 0, right? So 9 times 0 is 0. The correct option is 0. Okay, the next one is 5 times 9. 5 times 9 equal? You can count 9 times 5 or 5 times 9. They both are exactly same, right? So 5 times 9 is, yes, it is 45. So the correct option is 45, right? 5 times 9 equal 45. Very good. Okay, the next one is 4 times 9, which is the correct option? So either you count 4 until 9 or 9 until 4. They both are exactly same. So 4 times 9 equal 36 it is. Very good. The correct option is 36. 4 times 9 is 36. Okay, the next one is multiply 0 times 9. So which option? So either you do 0 times 9 or you do 9 times 0. The answer is always a 0, right? So the correct option is 0. you have to do 9 times 7. So 9 times 7 equal. Very good. The correct option is 63. So 9 times 7 equals 63 it is. 9 times 7 is 63. The next one is multiply 9 times 3, which is the correct option. 9 times 3 equal. Very good. That is 27. 9 times 3 equals 27. The correct option is 27. The next one is 3 times 9. So 3 times 9 is 3 times 9 or 9 times 3, right? The correct option is very good, 27 it is. So 3 times 9 is 27. The next one is 1 times 9, which is the correct option. Very good. 1 times 9 equal 9. So the correct option is 9. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today, right? Let's just move on to next one. The next one is we're going to multiply by 10. Multiply by 10 is the easiest one, I think. All of you know how to multiply by 10. Basically, the multiply by 10 is you have to multiply only the non-zero values, right? Non-zero means 1 times the other number and then you have to put a 0. For example, you have to do 10 times 8. That 8 times 1 is 8 and you need to add a 0, right? So multiplying 10 is very easy for all of you, isn't it? Okay, let's just start with the practice questions then, right? Okay, the first one is multiply 10 times 3. So which is the correct option? 10 times 3 equals. Is the correct option is 30, right? You have to do 3 times 1. So 3 times 1 is 3 and you have to add a 0. So 10 times 3 is 30. So the correct option is 30. The next one is multiply 10 times 9. So 10 times 9 is. Yes, it is 90. 10 times 9 equal 90. So the correct option is 90. It is. Got it. The next one is 10 times 8. So which is the correct option? Yes, it is. 8 times 1 is 8, and that is 80. So 10 times 8 is the correct option is 80. Very good. Okay, the next one is 10 times 1, which is the correct option. Very good. The correct option is 10. 10 times 1 equals 10. It is very good. Okay, the next one is 10 times 3. So, which is the correct option? 10 times 3 equal. Very good. The correct option is 30. 10 times 3 is 30. The next one is 9 times 10. So 9 times 10 equal. 9 times 10 is 98. Is the correct option is 90. Very good. Okay, the next one is 6 times 10. So 6 times 10 is. Ten times 6 is. Yes, it is 60. The correct option is 60. Okay, the next one is 10 times 2. So, which is the correct option? Yes, it is 20. The correct option is 20. Right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next one, and the next one is multiply by 11. And multiply by 11 is the another easiest one table, isn't it? Because we know that 1 times every number is the same number. So 11 is another one that is the easiest one. Am I right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions, right? Okay, 2 times 11 equals. The correct option is 2 times 11 equals 2, because 1 time any number equals the same number. So times 2 is 22. The correct option is 22. Very good. 11. Again 11 times 2. Okay, again 11 times 2 equal. Yes, it is 22. Again, that is same. That is 22. 11 times 7 equal. 11 times is 7 is 77. So the correct option is 7. Got it. The next one is again 7 times 11. Why the questions keep repeating? Okay, 7 times 11 equal. Yes, it is 77. 6 times 11 equal. Yes, it is 66. 11 6 is 66. Very good, everyone. Okay, the next one is 5 times 11. So 5 times 11 equal. 5 times 11 equal. Yes, it is 55. The correct option is 55. Okay, the next one is 11 times 6. So 11 times 6 equal. That is 66. 11 times 10. Which correct option? Yes, that is 110. The correct option is 11 times 1 is 11. You need to add a 0. So that would be 110. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the last lesson from the chapter, that is multiply by 12. Okay, let's just start with the last lesson from the chapter, that is multiply by 12. So here is the table of 12. You can note down in the table on your notebook. And the table is 0 times 12 is 12. 0 times 12 is 0. 1 times 12 is 12. 2 times 12 is 24. 3 times 12 is 36. 4 times 12 is 48. 5 times 12 is 60. 7 times 12 is 84. 8 times 12 is 96. 9 times 12 is 108. 10 times 12 is 120. 11 times 12 is 132. And 12 times 12 is 144. Let me just tell you a trick. When you are working on the tables like table of 2, table of 3, do these table until 12, right? Like not until 2 times 12, 10. Go to 2 times 12, then You don't need to remember. You don't need to work out on table of 12 separately, right? So whatever table you are working on, go until 12, right? Let's just start with the practice questions. This way you don't need to work on table of 12 separately, right? And that would be easy for you too. Okay, 2 times 12 equal, which is the correct option. The correct option is 24, it is right. 2 times 12 is very good, 24. So the correct option is 24. Okay, the next one is 12 times 8, which is the correct option. Very good, 12 times 8 equals 96. So the correct option is 96, right? The next one is multiply 0 times 12. So 0 times 12 is very good. 0 times 12 is 12. 0 times any number equals 0, right? So the correct option is 0. The next one is 1 times 12. So which is the correct option? Yes, and 1 times 12 is 12. The correct option is 12. Okay, the next one is 12 times 10. Multiplication is very, very important. So, and if you want to be perfect with multiplication, you must learn these tables, right? Now it's time for you to start working on the tables. 10 times 12 equals, yes, that would be 120. The correct option is 120. The next one is 12 times 7. So 12 times 7 equal. Yes, it is 84. 12 times 7 equal 84. The correct option is 84. The next one is 12 times 9. So which is the correct? 180? 108 it is. 12 times 9 is 108. 12 times 9 is 108. 108 it is, right? The next one is 12 times 6. So which is the correct option? 12 times 6 equal. Yes, the correct option is 72. So 12 times 6 is 72. 8 times 12 equal. Yes, the correct option is 96. 12 times 8 is 96, it is right. Oh, yes, 12 times 2 is very good. The correct option is 24. 12 times 2 equal 24, it is. Okay, 12 times 4 is 46. Yes, it is 48. 12 times 4 equal 48. The correct option is 48, right? Okay, the next one is 12 times 12, which is the correct option. Yes, the correct option is 144. So the 12 times 12 equal 144, right? Okay, we are done with the lesson. Also, we are done with the chapter multiplication skill build. So we were working on grade 3 math. The chapter we're working on is multiplication skill builders. The lessons we have covered today are why I am coughing. So the lessons we have covered today are multiply by 8, multiply by 9, multiply by 10, multiply by 10 and multiply by 11 and multiply by 12 because I am having a throat infection. That's why. Yes. So we still have a little time. If you need help with any of the lesson, you can ask question if you have any, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9, right? Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. You guys are just in grade 3 and you don't know the manners. What do you mean by what the hell? You are here to learn, so just focus on the learning. Do not forget your manners when you are chatting here. Yes, you two are 10 years old and you need to learn the manners.